Good afternoon, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the trade. Push that subscribe button. Follow this journey as I train my two sons in the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, I'm going to go turn on some outside water. As you see, CB2 is not here on this adventure, and we will see you at the job. Outside bib, outside bar sink. Where's Rover? Come on. Here is the bib we winterized. And the bar sink. Why is that tripping? Turn everything off. Clean up the leaves. The nail. Poke me right in the eye. Can you grab this for me, buddy? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Alright, now.
How have they been with the morning?
I just found out that they want the water on because there's a big renovation going on. So a lot of work going on there. The water's on, hot, cold, for some demo, which is totally separate from the other unit, but they wanted that water on. Evidently there's going to be some big work coming up. We got it done. It's Friday. Happy Friday. And there goes another satisfied customer. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. We're trying to do the right thing here and teach these young gunners the plumbing trade. Without your support and your good tips, it'd be a little harder. So we truly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. Follow this journey as I train these two young bucks to trade. It's gonna be a long journey. This channel's gonna be around for a long time, God willing, and we're gonna get her done. Trying to inspire some young plumbers out there. We'll see you at the next one. Have a great day and have a great weekend. Thank you.